Hello. Welcome to Paris with a fight after landing.
There's no fight.
Huh?
There's no fight. You just screwed me as usual.
I didn't screw you. I don't know where I'm out, and you like you don't know the gate. I was like, I don't know. I'm directly from the aircraft.
She's like, wait for me at the luggage pickup.
Yeah.
And then like 30 minutes later, she's like, I'm somewhere else. I'm on a bus. See you at the hotel.
Tell you, I can't remember how we get here at all. Paris, I did only twice. First one, I never go out. Second one, I can't remember. And then I don't know that we have to directly from the aircraft. เข้าใจไหม Oh. Look at my face so oily. Yeah. Okay, let's shower. Get ready.
สวัสดีค่ะเพื่อนๆทุกคนวันนี้ฟ้าใสมาปารีสก็เลยจะทำวล็อกมาฝากเพื่อนๆกันค่ะ
Oh yeah, I'm on the car, in the car, going to Champs-Élysées with my friend. She doesn't want to show her face.
And I'm so glad today I have my husband Mark flying with me to Paris, so we have a chance to explore the city together. We start the trip by sharing the Uber from hotel to Champs-Élysées. No nap, no sleep, landing, get changed, went out straight away. This is spirit of cabin crew, baby.
Thank you.
And now my journey start in Paris, France. Paris is one of the most romantic cities in Europe and one of the most visited cities in the world. There are endless reasons to visit Paris again and again. It is a beautiful and cultural city, very walkable, with great sights, and it has been a source of inspiration for many writers, artists, and filmmakers. Paris is always a good idea, Audrey Hepburn said. Paris was the second most expensive city in the world after Singapore. It's ranked as the third most visited travel destination in the world in 2017 after Bangkok, my country. There are many places to explore like the Louvre, Eiffel Tower, and Arc de Triomphe. The food in France is beyond amazing, but we went to the wrong place. This restaurant, horrible, half an hour. The appetizer just arrived. We starving to death.
สั่งข้าวครึ่งชั่วโมงอัปไทเซอร์เพิ่งมาสัตว์ลมเสียแม่ง crying because I'm hungry.
Guys, the food has no taste at all and is overpriced. You know what? The main point, I drag my husband here because of this damn bag. Chanel. Flashback from my Hamburg flight a few months ago. Here is the story.
ก็คือจะบอกว่าถ้าดิฉันเนี่ยยังคิดถึงมันอยู่ภายใน5เดือนนี้นะคะดิฉันจะกลับไปเอานะคะโอเคนะ Another 5 months if I think about it still I dream about it I'm gonna go back to get that damn bag โอเคนะโอเคนะ Chanel เฮ้ยมันอยากได้อยู่เลยอ่ะอยากได้ Chanel So I decide not to get it and save my money สรุปไม่ซื้อนะคะไม่ซื้อนะคะฟ้าใสพุทโธค่ะ breathe in breathe out มันไม่จำเป็นแล้วฉันก็จะไม่ซื้อกระเป๋าไม่ซื้อเฮ้ย what do you take
My temptation.
Very guilty looking person over here.
Why?
Very happy but guilty.
About to cry. cry.
Here we've got free bottle of water
50,000 baht bottle of water.
and finally I got this something in Marty ตอนนี้กำลังเดินไปอัฟเฟลนะคะของหนักมากเหนื่อยมากแล้วรองเท้าก็แบบใส่ส้นสูงมาแม่งกัดที่พอยเลยสับเจ็บกัดเจ็บมาก
Can't we go to like cold places.
Our next stop point, we heading to Eiffel Tower. My feet are sore as hell, guys. It's really painful, and that bag is super heavy. And I heard that in Paris there are so many pickpockets. We have to be extra careful of our belongings.
น่ารักนะ I like it บูเอาไหม คือตอนนี้อยากได้จักรยานมาก I need bicycle bicycle หรือไม่ก็แบบสกูตเตอร์มาก เพราะว่าเจ็บตีน
And yay, we can see Eiffel Tower from the distance. So beautiful. For both first-timer and regular to Paris, the Eiffel Tower will always make your heart skip a beat. This landmark is truly emblematic of Paris. The Eiffel Tower decorates the Parisian skyline and its really grey elegance is a romantic backdrop to many Parisian streets.
The shoes hurt my feet. I think I'm bleeding. I swear, it's so painful.
It always hurts my ears. I think they're bleeding.
เจ็บตีนมาก
Go with the flow. Go with the flow. Walk right through the Eiffel Towers and go with the flow. Don't destroy everything.
Wow, look at that. Boy, selfie.
And when you're visiting Eiffel Tower in the summer, one can enjoy a lovely picnic on the lawn of Champ de Mars with the magnificent view of the Eiffel Tower like us. คนที่นี่จะมาปิกนิกข้างๆกับหอไอเฟลกันนะคะ ทุกคนจะปูเสื่อบนพื้น หรือบางคนก็นอนลงไปกับพื้นหญ้าเลย แล้วก็จะมีคนขายเบียร์ขายเหล้าเดินมาตลอดเวลารวมไปถึงข้างๆฟ้าใสมีคนนั่งดูดชีชาด้วยแหละเพื่อนๆHi guys, this is my last Paris. By the way, I'm just filming the Eiffel Tower with my toys. And a little bit special things on this trip, I bought my toys DIY Emirates crew with me to take a selfie with the Eiffel Tower. Thank you for following me today. It's time to back Dubai with my lovely passenger Mark Steve. Thank you for filming me all the way there and all the way back. Hope you guys enjoy and see you next video. With love, Fralin.